Galaxies are the major building blocks of the universe. A galaxy is a giant family of many millions of stars, and it is held together by its own gravitational field. Most of the material universe is organized into galaxies of stars, together with gas and dust. There are three main types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, a flattest disk of stars with two spiral arms emerging from its central nucleus. About one quarter of the galaxy have this shape. Spiral galaxies are well supplied with the uh, interstellar gas in which new stars form, and the rotating spiral pattern sweeps around the galaxy. It compresses gas and dust, triggering the formation of bright young stars in its arms. Oh, the elliptical galaxies have symmetrical elliptical or spheroidal shapes with no obvious structure. Most of the remembered stars are very old, and since ellipticals are devoted of interstellar gas, interstellar gas, no new stars are forming in them. The biggest and brightest galaxies in the universe are elliptical and masses of about 1,013 times that of the Sun. These giants may frequently be sources of strong radio emission, in which case they are called radio galaxies. Oh, it's very dangerous, and I cannot ignore this town because now the radiation problem is very serious in Japan. About two-thirds of our galaxies are elliptical. Irregular galaxies comprise about one-tenth of our galaxy, and they come in many subclasses. Measurement in space is quite different from measurements on Earth. Oh. Some terrestrial distance can be expressed as interval of time. The time to fly from one continent to another, or the time it takes to drive it to work, for example, by comparison with these family yardsticks. The distance to the galaxies are incomprehensibly large. By the two are made more manageable by using a time calibration. In this case, the distance that light travels in 1 hour. One such scale is the nearest giant spiral galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is 2 million light years away. The most distant luminous objects seen by telescope are probably 10,000 million light years away. Their light was already halfway here before the Earth even formed. The light from the nearby Virgo galaxy set out when reptiles still dominated the animal world.